Hello everybody and welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today we are doing an exhaust job. It's a Honda Jazz 2004 and at the moment it sounds like it wants to go racing somewhere. And let me turn the engine on and you see what I mean. Is just blowing here. It's just broken off and rust and everything. And I'll show you the state of the exhaust now, and I've ordered a new one. I've got to pick it up in a minute. So this is the state of the exhaust at the moment. As you can see, there is all rusty. Hopefully those nuts are going to be nice to us and it's going to come out easy. I already put a socket there, 17mm socket. I spray some penetrating oil and hopefully that's going to help. I'm going to spray some more anyway, and then it goes here. It's not too bad, and then right here, as you can see, that's just broken off. It's just hanging by a thread there. And then this part is not too bad. And then let me take it to the rear. So this is the rear part. Doesn't look too bad. I think those bolts should be fine. Another 2 bolts there, spring loaded. And then the back box is alright, but it's all the rubber hangers perished, so we're going to replace that as well. It's just being held by, it looks like clothes hangers wires. So that's the job for today. So first I have to go to GSF to get the exhaust. Back from GSF, we've got the new exhaust. We have a couple bolts here as well, just in case. Probably gonna need them. Some bolts for the back and a couple gasket. So let's get under the car and try to get those bolts off. I sprayed some more penetrating oil before I left, so hopefully it's not going to be too difficult. Okay, so in the rear we have a 13mm bolt and nut. So we're going to put that spanner there, that side. Let's see if this one's going to be kind to us. Oh yes, oh lovely. So now will be the case of taking this middle part out, replace with the new one, and then in the rear here, as you can see there, I have to replace the rubber hangers, and that should be it. Okay, so basically here what we're dealing with, so that's middle section of the exhaust is just snapped off completely. And what happened, the rubber hangers at the back perished and the whole silencer came down, and obviously put a lot of leverage on this part here, which was rusty already, and it just broke off. So we've got the new one here, so we're about to replace it. We're gonna put new fixings, a new seal there. We've got a new seal here. Oh, there we go. So put a new seal, some exhaust paste, and the new hangers. Oh, I've got to get some new rubber hangers. I forgot. 1 sec. Back from lunch, and I've got the new rubber hangers. So now we're gonna clean the surface underneath the car, put some exhaust paste on that end, and then I put a new exhaust gasket on the other end, and then bolt it up, and that's it. So that's it's all tightened up now properly. I'll put some exhaust paste. This rubber hanger wasn't too bad. This one here, it's very good. It's pretty much brand new, so I'm not going to replace them. The same case here, pretty much brand new. So now we're going to do the silencer. Alright, so here we have the last bit of the old rubber. It's going to come off very easily. There we go. New one in. That's in place. Another one. That's it, that's in place there. Lovely. So now we're going to get the back box and fit over there with the 2 bolts. So that's it guys, job done. The 2 rubbers here replaced. It seems to be a little tiny bit short, but it's solid. So it's nice all the way through. Sometimes it can be very difficult exhaust if it's very rusty. This one was okay, it was very good actually. And yeah, don't forget I've got this part for about £34 from GSF. So if you have a GSF close to you at the week, generally coming to the weekend, they're very good if you live in the UK obviously, and you know, you have the luck to have a GSF close to you. So well, let's see how the car sounds now. Oh, that's nice, much better. So let me check for some if I can see any leak, exhaust leak anywhere. Yeah, no exhaust leaks. That's it, job finished. Okay, job done. If you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching first of all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like it, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.
Cause you made it all, you paid it all. Out of luck and now you pray.